Hello, friends. My name is Miss Erin, and I am coming to you live from the Mount Airy Library. You and I, are in our the children's office. A little behind the scenes view for you here. I am sitting at my desk, and Miss Maria's desk is right over here. And then on the other side, back near the wall, is Miss Ravin's desk. They are both off today. So I'm here in the office by myself, which is why I'm not wearing my face mask. But if I was to go out in the branch with my other coworkers, I would put on my face mask because we are practicing safe social distancing. Hello. We miss you as always, but don't forget that right now we have our express pickup service going on, and that is where you and your grown up can place some books on hold. So, any of the books that we talk about today, and plenty, plenty more that are on our shelves. And then you will either call the branch or fill out a form online to schedule a time to come and pick up. So, throughout the week, we have times 10 to 12, um, 1 to 3, and 4 to 6. And then on the weekend, on Saturday, we have the times from 10 to 12 and 1 to 3. And right now, we're closed completely on Sunday. So that's just a little heads up about that. But I also wanted to remind you that we are in summer reading. Summer reading is still going on. It is all digital, all available online. So if you go to our website, www.library.car.org, so that's CARR.org, you should see a picture right there with Imagine Your Story, which is our summer reading theme. Okay, so today, the theme that I want to talk about with our story time is building and construction. And I will tell you, I am not the most expert builder ever. So I have brought in a guest speaker. Um, Sam, are you available? Are you ready to?
Yeah. Give me a second here. I just gotta, arrange my overalls and make sure, my hat's on straight and blah blah blah. Okay. Hey.
Oh, hi. Friends, this is Sam, and Sam is a construction worker.
That's right. Very good. Yeah. So I'm a construction worker, Miss Erin. Hey, wait a second. What, Miss Erin? Who am I talking to? I just see you and I.
We're going live on Facebook. So we just see ourselves, but kid friends and family friends that are tuning in, they can see us.
They can see how many how many friends are we talking one? Are we talking two?
I mean, I don't know. We've gotten some good views. And if you guys share our video, we'll get even more views. So it could be a lot of friends. It could be even more friends that wouldn't fit in our story time room normally.
Oh, oh, that that sounds like so many people.
Yeah, I mean it's a lot. Are you nervous?
I mean, yeah, I'm a little nervous. I gotta say, I'm a little nervous.
Well, Sam, okay. Let me think. Maybe if you think of our friends at home as wearing hard hats, just like you, and maybe overalls and those like fun green, like neon green vests that you see construction workers wear so they stay safe, would it help you to think of them all like dressed like that?
Yeah, I mean, those are my pals. Those are people that I'm used to kind of working with. So yeah, that would be good. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go back to the show as it was. Miss Aaron, what were we talking about?
Sam, I brought you on as an expert on building and construction.
Yeah, oh yeah, building and construction. That is my game. That is my business. Um, yeah,
So what does it mean to you, Sam?
so building, you can use materials like straw. Well, that's straw's not so great. You could use sticks. Oh wait a second, yeah, that's not great either. And you can use bricks. Bricks are great. Bricks are a great material to use.
Hey, that reminds me of a story.
Yeah, I'm talking about those three little pigs.
Oh, okay. So we do have a Three Little Pigs. Let's see. Um, we have the Three Little Pigs. Friends, do you know this story, The Three Little Pigs?
Yeah, you know this story.
Well, Sam, could you kind of retell it for us? Because we have this book, which is an I Can Read. It's in our I Can Read section, because you see the star. But we also have a lot of other types of books about the Three Little Pigs, so you could choose in our catalog. But Sam, do you know kind of like the general like gist of the story?
Oh yeah. Okay, so we got pig one. We got three pigs, right? Three little pigs. We got pig one. Okay, pig one. He thinks he can build a house using straw.
Like drinking straws?
No, no, no. Like straw that you like lay on the floor of a barn. That kind of straw. And this big bad wolf comes. And you know what he does?
Oh, I think I know.
He huffs and he puffs and he blows that house down.
Yeah, I mean that would happen with straw, right?
So then pig number two, okay, so pig number one runs over to his brother, pig number two. Pig number two, they're hanging out there. Pig number two builds his house out of sticks. Just like sticks you find out on the ground when you're walking around.
Oh, that doesn't sound great.
No, no. So then, the big bad wolf comes and he huffs and he puffs. Oh, and he blows that ass down too.
So what happens with pig three? Okay, pig three. Here's where she gets smart. Pig three, I'm gonna say, she's a sister. She's smart. So pig one and pig two, they go together and they go to pig three's house and they hang out with her because guess what she made her house out of? What did she make her house out of?
She made it out of bricks. Now that's a solid material.
Oh yes, that's great. So it's kind of like a happy end. Well, wait a second. Does the wolf come back?
Oh yeah, he comes back. But guess what?
What?
So he huffs and he puffs and he does not blow that house down. Would you know that?
Wow.
Yeah, he huffs and he puffs again. And then finally he's so winded, he just gives up and he lays there on the ground, moaning and groaning. And they live happily ever after. It's a great tale.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Sam, for telling us that story.
Yeah, no problem.
So, Sam, I'm going to tell them about some other books that we have, okay? I might bring you back to talk a little bit at the end here, okay?
Yeah, sounds good. Great. I love it. Okay. All right, see you, friends. See you in a bit.
Okay, so let me grab my materials here. So I wanted to talk about some other things that you could do, you could build at your house. So if you have something like this, do you know what these are called? Legos. So yeah, you could build with Legos. And let me tell you, there are plenty of books here at the library that will give you great ideas and sometimes step-by-step instructions on how to build certain things, like a ship. So please, when you're looking through our catalog, if you type in Lego, you're going to get all kinds of books that you could place on hold and then check out. And then another kind of thing that you could use would be materials that you have around your house. So not just Legos, but, we've got some blocks, some regular blocks. Oh, yeah, Sam's real fun. He's a real guy. He's a great construction worker, too. Okay, so you got some blocks that you could build with. You can make them look in different shapes. And then another fun part is kind of knocking it down, right? And I know, since we're in the time of Corona, that a lot of us have these. Could you build with these? Let's see. Yeah, you could totally build with these. And I want to show you a book that I have. Oh my gosh, let's see how high I can get.
Whoa, I hope the big bad wolf doesn't come and blow it down.
Okay, so one of my favorite books ever, is this book called Dreaming Up, and it is by Christy Hale, and it is a nonfiction book, and you can tell that because there are numbers on the spine. And what I love about this book is that this book shows you ways that you can build that actually end up looking like real buildings that exist out in the world. And I've tabbed some pages because I wanted to show you one of my favorite buildings of all time, and that is Frank Lloyd Wright's Falling Water. And that's just a couple hours north of us in Carroll County here. So that's up in Pennsylvania. And look what she's building. She's building using wooden blocks just like we did. And it kind of looks like falling water. And then another thing I wanted to show you were these paper tubes, just like we used. And check out this building that's actually in Asia. I think, let me see if I can find out where. There's at the back here, they will show you where all of those great buildings are. This one is in China, and it is mostly made of cardboard, reinforced cardboard, really strong cardboard. And if you go to the beach, guess what you can use to build? Sandcastle, and it can look a lot like this amazing church in Spain. So I love this book because it shows actual materials that you have around your house. And then at the end of the book here, it shows you the architects and the buildings they created that look a lot like what was imagined in the book. Okay, so I just wanted to show that. It's really fun. And then one last thing I wanted to show you before we kind of sing a song together is you can build. Did you know you could build words? So if you are learning to read, one great way to build words and learn how to pronounce your words and read your words is to use these kind of blocks. So these might be called Duplos. They might be called like Mega Blocks. You might see them around, but they're much bigger than Legos. And one thing that you could do would be to write a letter, and then what does this spell? P-ig. Pig. Did we talk about pigs today? We did. And do you remember the big bad wolf? Whoops, our phone as well. Big? Yeah. So big is another word. Big. And then ig. Dig. Yeah. That's another way of building. Okay, friends. We are running out of time here. I have one song for us to sing together. And then I'm going to bring Miss Sam out for our last little affirmation. Okay. So this song is called This Is the Way. This is the way we hammer the nails, hammer the nails, hammer the nails. This is the way we hammer the nails so early in the morning. This is the way we saw the wood, saw the wood, saw the wood. This is the way we saw the wood so early in the morning. This is the way we paint the house, paint the house, paint the house. This is the way we paint the house so early in the morning. What other things, building things, could you think of to add to that song? You will have to think about that later. Okay, my friend Sam. Sam is going to come out and we are going to do our affirmations. Okay, so Sam, if you could say our affirmations and then I and our kiddo friends are going to repeat after you. Does that sound okay? Yeah, that sounds wonderful. Okay, so I am great. I am great. I am smart. Oh, smart. I am smart. I am strong. I am strong. I am loved. Aw, I am loved. Today will be awesome. Today will be awesome. Yay. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you, Sam. Yay. Hey, no problem. I'll see you around, friends. Build something really cool today. Bye. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye.